In this clip, we're going to be looking at scale factors. Shapes can be scaled up or down. Enlargements make a shape bigger. How much bigger depends on the scale factor. Every side of the shape is multiplied by the scale factor. Here's an example. It says a shape has been enlarged by a scale factor of 3. If the longest side of the enlarged shape is 24 centimeters long, how long is the longest side on the original shape? So here's the original shape, and here's the enlarged shape. So the longest side is this, and it's been enlarged to 24 centimeters. The scale factor is 3. To work out the length of the original shape, we need to do 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8 centimeters. So the length of the original shape is 8 centimeters. You may be asked to find the scale factor. To find the scale factor, you can work out the scale factor by dividing a length on the enlarged shape by the length of the same side on its original shape. Here's an example. Shape B is an enlargement of shape A. Using the lengths given, work out the scale factor of the enlargement. Here's the enlarged shape, and here's the original shape. To find the scale factor, we need to divide the length on the enlarged shape by the length of the same side on its original shape. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So the scale factor is 4. Here's another example. It says a triangle with a total perimeter of 18 centimeters was enlarged. Its height after enlargement was 24 centimeters. What scale factor was it enlarged by? We need to work out the length of one side. We've been given the perimeter of the shape, which is 18 centimeters. And the shape has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. To work out the length of one side, we need to do 18 divided by 3, which equals 6 centimeters. So each side must be 6 centimeters. To find the scale factor, we need to divide a length on the enlarged shape by the length of the same side on its original shape. So the enlarged shape has a length of 24 centimeters, and the original shape is 6 centimeters. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the scale factor equals 4. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Question 1 says shape D is an enlargement of shape C. Using the lengths given, work out the scale factor of the enlargement. To work out the scale factor, we need to divide the length of the enlarged shape by the same length on the original shape. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the scale factor is 2. Question 2 says a square with a total perimeter of 40 centimeters was enlarged. Its height after enlargement was 80 centimeters. What scale factor was it enlarged by? We need to find the length of one side of the square. So we've been given the total perimeter, which is 40 centimeters. A square has 4 sides. So to find the length of one side, we need to do 40 divided by 4, which equals 10 centimeters. So each length on the square is 10 centimeters. To find the scale factor, we need to divide the length of the enlarged shape by the length on the original shape. So 80 divided by 10 equals 8. So the scale factor is 8. Question 3 says enlarge this shape by a factor of 2. Each side on the shape is 1 square long. So the enlarged shape will be twice as long. So each side will be 2 squares long. So if we draw that out, so your shape should look something like this, with each side 2 squares long.